If you want to share a screen from your Motorola Moto G87 to your TV, for example, what you can do is, first of all, we can open settings. Now over here in settings, you should be able to find connected devices. So let's go here, and then we can start by going to connection preferences. And if you open connection preferences, then over here you can find the cast option. And then here on this list, you might be able to find your TV, and you should be able to select it and connect to it. But if nothing appears over here, you might want to tap on Smart Connect button instead, and you will have to go through the setup, which is actually very, very simple. Just tap on Get Started over here, then you can just keep tapping on these arrows, and then the check over here. We need to agree to terms and conditions and privacy statement, and tap on Continue. Then over here we have a couple of different permissions that we need to grant, so we're gonna tap on Allow Required, and then grant all of these permissions over here. There we go. You will need to turn on location, so let's do so. And now here we can either press Add a Device or this plus button in the upper right corner. If you see this window over here where you are asked to sign in to pair devices, you don't really have to do so. You can just tap on Pair without signing in. And in here you should be able to choose Display. Then just tap on these arrows in order to skip this. And here you will find your TV, most likely, so you should be able to select it from this list and connect to it, connect to your TV, and start sharing the screen. Leave a like and subscribe.